Authoritative GMLP language for AIML SaMD FDA CDRH guide. Welcome. Today we're sharpening how you write for good machine learning practice, GMLP. The FDA reads with three lenses: clarity, consistency, and control. Your tone should show that you understand your system and can manage its risks. Authoritative does not mean aggressive. It means precise, evidence-led, and operationally grounded. When your wording is concrete, who does what, when, and based on which data, you signal process maturity and risk control. By the end, you'll know how to move from marketing fluff to verifiable statements that build trust with regulators and technical reviewers alike. Swap adjectives for evidence. Instead of saying your model is robust or state-of-the-art, show numbers and how you got them. For example, replace robust performance with AUC 0.91 on external dataset N equals 4,200, collected Q3 2024. Tie every claim to protocols, metrics, and results. Describe the test plan, inclusion criteria, blinding, and analysis method. Then report outcomes. Use concrete measures like AUC, sensitivity, specificity, PPV, NPV, and calibration error, and state confidence intervals. Evidence beats adjectives every time. Use will for steps that are mandatory and controlled. We will retrain quarterly using locked pipelines. Use may only when there are defined criteria that gate the decision. We may retrain earlier if drift exceeds KS greater than 0.1 for 2 consecutive weeks. Avoid hedging. Map every commitment to SOPs, owners, and tools so reviewers see it's executable. SOP ML07 defines thresholds. The MLOP's lead owns review. Actions are logged in QMS. Clear verbs translate to clear accountability and predictable regulatory behavior. Explain the full data pipeline and governance. Sources, access controls, de-identification, lineage, and audit logs. State update triggers and guardrails that protect safety and performance, such as drift thresholds, holdout integrity, and rollout stages. Describe pre-specification. What parameters, features, and metrics are locked before analysis, and your change control. Who approves changes, how versions are validated, and rollback steps. Clarity on pipelines and rules shows the model doesn't evolve chaotically. It learns within managed boundaries. Report stratified metrics with confidence intervals. Don't just give overall AUC. Break it down by site, device, age, sex, and other relevant subgroups. Address bias, generalizability, and drift. Show external validation, cross-site testing, and ongoing monitoring plans with thresholds. Reference datasets, versions, and dates, so results are reproducible. External set, Hospital B, V1.4, January to March 2025. Include calibration plots, decision thresholds, and clinical relevance, e.g., number needed to alert. Specifics prove the model performs where it matters. Start with explicit hazards, misclassification, delayed alert, UI confusion, and link each to a mitigation and an owner. Define monitoring thresholds and actions. Alert rate spike greater than 2 times baseline for 48 hours right-pointing arrow pause deployment and run root cause analysis. Document human factors, training, workload, and interface cues that reduce use errors. Include fallback modes such as reverting to last validated model or human-only review. A clean chain, hazard right-pointing arrow detection, right-pointing arrow control, right-pointing arrow verification demonstrates proactive safety, not reactive patching. Maintain end-to-end requirement evidence links. Each requirement maps to test cases, results, and approvals. Version everything: models, data, features, and software, so you can recreate any decision, record hashes, timestamps, and change rationales in the QMS. Cite relevant standards to show alignment. ISO 13485 for quality management, ISO 14971 for risk management, and IEC 62304 for software lifecycle processes. Traceability turns your narrative into an auditable system where reviewers can follow the thread from claim to proof without guessing. Do right with concrete timing and thresholds. We will monitor X weekly. Act at Y. Do report results with metrics and intervals. Algorithm version 2.3 met AUC 0.92, 95% CI, 0.89 to 0.94 on external cohort, n equals 3, 100. Don't make marketing promises. We aim to ensure best-in-class. Replace aims with commitments, criteria, and results. Keep sentences short, verbs active, and numbers precise. When in doubt, ask, "Can someone verify this tomorrow with the data and SOPs we named?" If yes, your tone is truly authoritative.